Welcome to Tinkerspace. Today let's make women's safety gadget using IoT. Here we have used push button as input, Tinkerspace brain board, and here we use smartphone as the output. It is connected to the Tinkerspace brain board through internet. Here we use two connecting wires and power supply. Now let's connect the components. Here we have connected two push buttons to the input 1 and input 2, and we have connected a smartphone to the Tinkerspace brain board through internet. We're done connecting the components. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the Tinkerspace app. Now choose your Tinkerboard. I will select brain board. Now click on create new project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on save new project. Here the design space has been opened. Now, as for the hardware connection, I will add the input devices. Here I added push button as input 1 and input 2. Now go to the menu and click on save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on go to code space. The code space has been opened. Now click on add or edit input condition. Select hardware input condition. Now let's choose separate case for each input. Now click on select this condition. In the input 1 sensor on, in custom message, in string message 1, I will type help. Now click on save settings. In the input 2 sensor on, in custom messages, in string message 1, I will type met an accident. After typing, click on save settings. Now, in the input 1 sensor on, in IoT output 1, I will choose custom message 1. Now click on save settings. In the input 2 sensor on, in IoT output 2, I will select custom message 1, met an accident. Now click on save settings. Now, in the women's safety gadget, IoT, in the input 1 sensor on, means we have pressed the push button. So here, in the custom message, we have typed help. So in the IoT output 1, in the channel 1, we will get a notification as help. And when we press the second push button, the sensor will turn on. And in the custom message, we have typed met an accident. So in the IoT output 2, means in the channel 2, we will get a notification as met an accident. When we press the first push button, we will get the notification as help in channel 1, and when we press the second push button in the IoT output 2, in the channel 2, we will get an notification as met an accident. So like this, the women's safety gadget IoT's coding works. Now after generating the code, click on save code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on upload code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2, click on flash or code switch of your Tinkerboard about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3, click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the Tinkerspace brain board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the Thinkerspace Brainboard. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now let's implement it in the model. Here we have completed the model of our project. Here we have fixed 2 push buttons, Thinkerspace Brainboard, and smartphone. Now let's drill them out. When we press the first push button, the message will say "I'm in danger." And we press the second push button, the message will say "Met an accident."
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our Thinkerspace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open Thinkerspace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway Thinkerspace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected with us.